How to fix we couldn't connect to Crunchyroll issue. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar, and search for Crunchyroll. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now head to your home screen, open up settings, go to apps, tap on app management, and search for Crunchyroll. Now click on force stop, go to storage usage, and tap on clear data. Now restart your application. Also make sure you have connected to a stable internet connection. I hope this should fix issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.